Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to turn off voicemail on phone. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First go ahead and open up your phone application from your device. Then tap on three-dot icon on the top right. You will see settings option at the end. Tap open it, then you will see an option of voicemail. Tap on it and here you can see that voicemail number. Just tap onto it. And mine is not set. But if it in your case you will see these numbers. All you have to do is delete it and tap on OK. Now this is the one way you can do it. Another way you could do it is by going on to your phone to settings. Once you're at this settings page, directly search for voicemail. Tap onto it and tap on it again. And here you will see the same portal that I showed you before. If you see a number in here, just delete it and tap on OK. If it's still not working for you, then you need to call your service provider and ask them to do it for you. So that's basically how you can turn off voicemail on phone. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.